Take control of PDFs like never before. Amazing! Build your own SaaS app, a PDF editor that allows you to modify and add text with different fonts, sizes, and colors, without complicated steps or extra tools. Every change feels smooth, flexible, and completely under your control. Need to extract pages for a quick presentation or delete unnecessary ones to keep things clean? It's done in seconds. Have a scanned document that looks impossible to edit? OCR technology instantly transforms it into fully editable text. This isn't just another tool. It's the ultimate guide of building your own PDF editor experience. And the best part? You can build it with AI. No code or technical experience needed. Smart, powerful, flexible. Go to getmocha.com and give the AI some instructions. Create a PDF editor in which I can modify and add text with different fonts, sizes, and colors. And here is the first look of our app. Let's try to upload a PDF. And it's not working. Let's try to add a text. It's working. As I can see, I cannot drag and drop the text boxes. We'll fix that later. Let's try to fix the upload PDF function. Meanwhile, let's try to edit and modify the text boxes. Let's choose the impact font, and it's working. If we want to modify the text, we need to use this text content area. I would like to change the text inside the text box with a double click. Colors are okay, and if we delete the item, it's working. Let's upload the PDF again. It's working. I want to change the design from which I upload the PDF. Let's create a large button with drag and drop function. Now we have a new issue. The first page of the PDF is turned upside down. I tried several times to fix that. I think the issue was fixed after I tried 4 to 5 times. The AI was giving me the same thing every time. Let's change the theme. I would like a dark theme. Let's also add a drag and drop function to text boxes. Let's see the results. Do not worry if the first page is upside down. As I said, the AI is going to fix that. Let's add a text, and let's try to drag and drop the text box. It's working, but it has a little delay. First page uploaded is looking okay. The navigation arrows are okay. Zoom function is also okay. Let's draw a text box. We can change the font, size, and colors. These width and height functions are not working, but we'll remove them anyway because we will add some handlers to text boxes later that can adjust the width and height. If I zoom in or out, the text box I created is not going with the page and not resizing according to the size of the canvas. We'll fix that in a moment. Let's add an icon that can help us see better where we should click to grab a text box. This arrow with blue background is looking really nice. Let's add Convert to Word and Convert to Image buttons. The export area is not looking so well. Let's add some icons or colors. Let's position these buttons above the canvas. Nice. Convert to Word is not working. Let's try to save the Word file with .docx extension. We have some errors. Conversion to Word is not working. Convert to text is okay. These RTF functions will be removed. Convert to images is okay. Let's change the extensions from .docx to simple .doc. After I tried several times, it worked with .doc. Let's add some buttons that rotate our pages. They're working. When I zoom in or out, I want a button that goes to 100% default. In this way, we need to add a Fit to 100% function. It's working. Let's change the position of icons that navigate through pages with those that rotate them. They are working. Let's try to add a PDF with an image inside. Let's convert to Word. I am using LibreOffice. The text is converted correctly, but I cannot see the image. Let's try to export to PDF. It's working. Let's try again. Now we can see the image from PDF inside Word. It's not the best PDF to Word conversion at this moment, But firstly, I am testing to see if all the functions are working correctly. You can adjust the way a document is saved later. You just need to ask AI. As I can see, LibreOffice is doing optical character recognition by default at the bottom of the page. What has been converted from PDF is an image. Let's move these. PDF document conversion and the number of pages. It's better now. This is an image. Let's add a layer panel to better see the pages. I added especially 6 pages to test, and it is not looking so well because the canvas went in the middle of layers. Let's fix the position of the canvas. Not working. Let's display only 3 pages and hide the rest. The next button in the layer panel is not working. Now it's better. Let's add a delete page or delete range of pages buttons. In this moment, I was running out of credits, so I had to buy 1,500 more credits. When I started, I had around 300 credits. Let's add a button that adds a photo. Let's add a photo. It's okay for me. I also have these circles I can grab to move the photo. I can see 2 issues right here. The preview layer panel does not display this image, and also, when I export it, I cannot see it. We'll fix that in a moment. I have the same issue when I export this PDF to Word or images. Let's try again. The PDF exported has this image. I tried several times to add a scroll bar in the canvas. The AI added a nice scroll bar at the bottom. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's okay for now. This slider is going down along with the page. I want it to be fixed at the bottom. Nice. The canvas that displays the pages is too small. I want to set a different size as default when I upload a new PDF. We also need to change the size for what it means fit to 100%. Let's customize a little bit the buttons on the right panel. I also added a function that adds a blank page. I forgot to record. Let's add a page. It's working. Let's export the PDF to see if we have these blank pages saved in PDF. And we have. I also added a function that extracts only 1 page. Let's test it. Working. I added a button that extracts a range of pages. Let's test it. Our PDF has 8 pages, and we want to extract only the first 5. I want a slider in the layer panel that reduces the size of all elements inside this panel when I need some more space in the canvas. Not bad, but it has a delay. We'll fix that in a moment. Let's try to add an optical character recognition. This will be a little hard to achieve, but not impossible. When I hit Extract Text, this function does not use our uploaded PDF, but needs a new PDF and is not what we want. Let's try to fix that. The extraction of text from image is working, but the way it is displayed is not what we want. Bear with me, because I am going to ask many times the AI to adjust things until we get something fine. While I was prompting, I got an idea because I did not like that the text converted with OCR is displayed in only one big shape and goes in front of my image. I asked AI to display the text boxes with only 4 rows. Not bad, but the rest of the text behind the 4 rows is hidden, and I did not have a scroll bar to see it. Because I want to move the text boxes created after OCR, I need a grid to guide me through the page. Let's create one. Let's add a vertical guide. Not bad. The horizontal guide is also nice and easy to move. Let's go back to OCR function and create text boxes with only 1 row. Now I have a text box for every row. Not so easy to work with. Let's add some handlers to adjust width and height. They are a little small, but we'll increase the size of them later. In the text panel, I want a function that lets me increase or decrease the size in pixels for text. Not bad. Let's add a color palette and a color picker in the Edit Text area. I want to hide the grid and guides because it takes a lot of visual space. I want them to be activated when I click the grid icon. Let's increase the size of text in Tools buttons. When we use OCR, let's get back to 4 rows of individual text boxes. It's better than 1 row for every line of text. Let's try to add a white background for these OCR text boxes. Let's add some more colors to see if they are exported correctly. Nothing is exported. If we export to image, we can see the page we just edited. This is because at this moment, everything we are exporting is actually an image. We export images in Word and also images when exporting to PDF. I asked AI to export PDF as images, and it worked. Let's create a button that lets us choose the background color of text boxes. I also want all the functions in the text panel to be moved up. It's better to see them. Let's add a nice gradient background to the text panel. Let's add a rotation function for images we are uploading. It's working really naturally. I want some handlers that adjust width and height for images. They are working. Let's increase the size of these handlers. I got into a new issue. Every OCR text box created is not displayed in preview of the layer panel. Now it's working. When you first open this app, I want to have 2 buttons, Upload PDF and Build from Scratch. Let's add these functions as well. It's looking really nice. Let's add a photo. We can adjust width and height. We can move it. Let's draw a text box. The color is working, the handlers are working as well. Convert to PDF is working. The Insert Blank Page, Export Page, Convert to Word, images are not working. I want some handlers for text boxes created with the Add Text button. Let's add a Home button. Let's add a trash icon to delete page or delete range. That's it for today's video. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next video.